Hello everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So in today's video, we have just learned that you can now get 20 weeks of unemployment benefits. So if your unemployment benefits have ended, there's now a way to get an extension, and that's what we're gonna be looking at today. We're also gonna be looking at other news and updates with stimulus, how to get your stimulus check, how much money, your second stimulus check, how much money you will possibly be getting. Donald Trump has notified us that he's looking to go big or go home, in quoting him directly, and that also there are people who are telling Trump to get very close people, telling him to give out $1,200 or $1,800 stimulus check, along with the $1,000 per child, as well as the $400 weekly amount of unemployment benefits. So we have a lot to talk about today. We're gonna cover it as quickly as possible. I want to get this out to you all so everybody understands what's going on. If you do enjoy these types of update videos with how to get more money from the government, please leave the video with a big thumbs up. It helps me out tremendously, and I personally, can't even thank you enough for just tapping that thumbs up button. It helps us out, helps me out make more videos like you. Also, if you do want to sign up for Yada Savings, it's a new savings account that basically rewards you for having cash saved. You don't lose any money, but you are eligible to win weekly prizes up to $10 million. I personally use Yada Savings myself. It's not sponsored at all, but I do have a referral link. If you do use my code, you get 100 bonus tickets. So the reason I'm telling you to use my link and code is because when you sign up for Yada Savings and you put in $25, you will get one ticket to enter in up to $10 million. However, they have a special going on right now. If you use my link and code, you will get 100 tickets, which is valued, well, it's essentially like having $2,500 in your account just by using a link and code, and you can actually win money. I've already won $14 so far, but it's just the beginning. That was only after 2 weeks. So I'm trying to get up to $10 million. If somebody's gonna win, could be you. If you do want to sign up to be an Uber or a Lyft driver and get a sign-up bonus or guarantee, you can use the links down below to get a sign-up bonus or guarantee of up to $2,400. You can also sign up for Webull. I have a link down below. You'll get 2 free stocks when you sign up with my link and deposit $100 in those 2 free stocks. Could be valued up to $1,600. There's a lot. So anyways, guys, let's get right into this video now. So this is what we're looking at so far. I know a lot of us have been talking about new stimulus, the second stimulus plan, when that is coming, but I did want to just offer this to you guys, that EDD announces up to 20-week unemployment extension. The California, let's see, today's date is October 13th. Just so you guys know the date of me filming, I like to tell you guys when we film these videos, just so everybody knows that, the timing of these videos. Sometimes it comes out a day late, just so you guys know, but this is still very relevant. If you're still watching this, this could be applied to you. So the EDD will complete its phased rollout of the PUA. So the PUA is intended for independent contractors. So if you have any sort of independent contracting gig where you're paid on 1099 rather than the W-2 format, you could be eligible for these 20 weeks. So that's actually a really good amount. Furthermore, what we have been looking at earlier this week, we did want to just say Trump calls for a big proposal. As you can see in this article in the Washington Post, he actually told Congress to go big or go home. That was this morning at 8:39 a.m. when this article was published on Washington Post. I think that's great. Why? Because, just a little inside secret, guys, I'm no friends with Donald Trump, but just saying, I know some inside sources who are close to Trump, and they've been informing him that, hey, look, if you pass a big stimulus bill before the election, you're probably gonna get more votes. So whether or not you vote for or against Donald Trump, this could actually work out in your favor because of the timing of the election. This new stimulus, the second stimulus plan, could be huge. So, or in Donald Trump's words, huge. Huge, huge, huge. I don't know why I sound like an old man. I guess Donald Trump is pretty old. Republicans do not agree that nothing is better than something for working families. McConnell said in a statement Tuesday, the American people need Democrats to stop blocking bipartisan funding and let us replenish the PPP before more Americans lose their jobs needlessly. So I guess the highlight of today's story is that small business owners, aka independent contractors, if you're an independent contractor, you could actually be eligible for these PPP funds. And I've been telling a lot of people on this channel that, you know, I actually made a tutorial on how to apply for the Paycheck Protection Program. I personally got $5,000 for the Paycheck Protection Program, which essentially just covers payroll in my company. And fun fact, I'm the only employee within my company, so it's essentially just to keep me employed by my own company. Don't worry, I have an accountant who handles it all, and it's all legal, trust me. I wouldn't be sharing it on the internet if I didn't already get it approved by my professional accountant, which I highly recommend getting a CPA. They're very helpful. And I also did want to notify for these 20 weeks of unemployment. I know a lot of people who watch these videos are rideshare drivers. So one of the biggest names in rideshare he goes by the name of Harry Campbell, and he owns this channel called the Rideshare Hub. And if you just take a look right here, they just released a video actually yesterday saying to get another 20 weeks of unemployment benefits with the Fed ED extension. We have an episode of Monday. Here we go. Personal Finance with Jay Cradeur. Jay Cradeur is actually one of their contributors. He is a very, you know, he's been an Uber driver for a while, so he actually knows, and he's also an entrepreneur, I believe, working for this company, the Rideshare Guy. The FPUC unemployment issue concerning the FPUC extension needs to be resolved sooner rather than later. And I personally agree. In the meantime, though, for gig workers in California, there is another program that can allow you to get another 20 weeks of unemployment benefits called the Fed ED extension. This is a CA employment extension, and it's very important in regards to Lyft drivers and Uber drivers and gig worker unemployment as a whole in California. So if you're not in California, check out your local state for a similar program like this. Just type in something like the Fed ED or whatever it could be called in your state to get that additional 20 weeks of unemployment benefits. So that's the update that we have today. Again, if you do want to sign up for Yada Savings and get up to $10 million every single week, sign up with my link and code and you get 100 bonus tickets. Again, I personally use Yada Savings. I think it's awesome. I wish I was an investor. I wish this video was sponsored by Yada Savings, but it's not. And if you do want to sign up to be an Uber or a Lyft driver, I will leave links down below to sign up, and so you can get a sign up bonus or guarantee of up to $2,400. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will talk to you all soon. Have a great day. Bye.